In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create an impressive testimonials section using the Wix platform effortlessly. Our first task is to add the necessary applications, which will support our creation of a testimonials section. To do this, you need to navigate to the option within Wix labeled Add Apps. This is your go-to place for extending the functionality of your website, as it offers a multitude of powerful applications. Once you've located and clicked on the Add Apps icon, I want you to seek out the search function. Most likely, it will be in the shape of a little magnifying glass icon, and it's through this feature that we are going to find our desired application. Here is where you type in Testimonial Slider. This is an effective app that permits us to create a slider feature with different testimonials, providing an attractive and interactive experience for our site visitors. After inputting Testimonial Slider into the search bar, a list of corresponding apps will load. I want you to carefully go through this list. Don't rush. We want to ensure that we select the most suitable app for our page. Once you've selected one that you feel would be the perfect fit for your requirements, there should be a button right beside it saying Add to Site. Click on that to install this application to your Wix website. Now, having successfully added this application, it's time to fine-tune it according to our specific needs. Start by clicking on your newly added testimonials slider. This will provide you with a slew of options to customize the slider as per your requirements and visual aesthetics. You can play around with the size, color scheme, the duration between each slider transition, the testimonials it showcases, and so on. Take your time, explore all the customization options, and adjust them accordingly to ensure your testimonial slider gels well with your website's overall theme and caters to the intended impression you want to leave on your viewers. And voila, we're done. By following these steps, you successfully added a testimonial section to your Wix site with a custom slider that's designed to impress. This will entirely elevate your website's credibility and its overall look and feel. Remember, testimonials provide a great source of genuine feedback that can sway potential customers. The better you design this section, the greater impact it will have. I hope you found this tutorial informative and useful. So go ahead, start integrating impressive testimonial sections in your Wix website. Happy creating!